Hey guys, so today I would like to review some milk alternatives. Is there a good milk alternative out there? Do me a favor and like and subscribe. That will help me to be able to give you more honest reviews. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a review on chocolate almond milk, and I had a less than favorable take on it. Why does this stuff have to be so bad? But from that video, I got a lot of great comments on what would be a great milk alternative choice. So I want to go through several of those today and see if we can actually find a good milk alternative. I have a pretty low baseline. Can any of these taste at least as good as skim milk? I don't like skim milk, but if they can at least approach skim milk, they automatically got a 5 out of 10. They can get an additional 5 points if they can fulfill all the magic words they have on the packaging. First, I have my baseline nasty skim milk. Don't know what happened to this carton. I mean, actually, it could be worse. Next, we have dark chocolate almond milk by Silk. The promise here is smooth and seriously creamy. It's a little bit of a different taste to it, but it's almond milk. So on the milk factor, I'm giving it a 5. This could easily be milk. I could drink this. I could 100% buy this and not be mad. I'm giving it a 10. Yeah. Giving it a 10. But the promise was smooth and seriously creamy. This could work. And that's a miracle. Alright, so next, we're going to look at Almond Breeze Extra Creamy Original. Extra Creamy wasn't suggested, but I figured I would get this one because it specifically says, tastes creamy like dairy milk. That's a big promise. This kind of tastes like I would expect almond milk to taste like. It's very creamy. It kind of tastes like milk flavored with almonds. This is what I thought almond milk would taste like to begin with. It does taste creamy like dairy milk. It does taste like almonds. And that's the only promise I have on this thing, is tasting creamy like dairy milk. I can't believe it, but I'm giving this a 10 as well. The extra creamy is what actually brought it to milk status, because most almond milk is just water. There was a suggestion for vanilla almond milk. I think if there was a vanilla extra creamy out there, I didn't see, but if there was a vanilla extra creamy, I think that'd be like really good. All right, let's move on. This is Chobani Oatmilk. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Chobani Oatmilk. I got this one because as well it promises to be extra creamy. Can't fault this. I think extra creamy did it. That's what pulled this one through. I'm giving it a 5 on the milk. The extra creamy helped with that. It sounds like I'm judging easy, but this didn't promise anything aside from being extra creamy. And I'm putting extra creamy relative to milk alternatives, okay? That means it doesn't taste like water. So I wouldn't call this extra creamy milk, but I would call this extra creamy milk alternative. It does taste like oats. It's a fine. I like oats. This works. I can't take points away. To 10. This is crazy. I actually got vanilla soy milk to give it a better chance of tasting good. Doesn't say extra creamy or anything else. So we'll see how this rates on the 5 points of actually tasting like milk. Different color than the rest. This isn't extra creamy, but that didn't take away from it kind of still fulfilling the milk part of the name. It's a little weak on the vanilla. This is 8.5, but that's actually not bad. So soy, I think actually is not a bad replacement for milk if it's done properly. This is worth consideration. All right, so we have Silk Cashew milk. This is unsweet, so really just going for the decadent and delightfully creamy. That, my friends, is repulsive. Okay, so maybe I couldn't find it, but maybe I should have found a sweetened version. All right, let's try to be objective here. Milk. Milk is not sweet, so let's just try to get the milk. Oof. There's no world in which I could suggest this. It needs sugar. It's hurting me to keep drinking this junk. Decadent? No. How could you call this decadent? How could you call this decadent? That'd be like calling unsweet tea decadent. Delightfully, no, you can't use the word delightful in here. It's, no. Okay, creamy. I'll give it 2 out of 5 for the creaminess. So I'm going to give this a 6. This is the first one that I can't finish. I can't even do this last little bit. I need something pleasant in my life again. If I could give that cashew junk a 6, this is like a 20. All right, and for my last contender, this one I just got for fun, just to see again if there was just a good alternative. It's Almond Breeze Banana. So this is almond milk blended with real bananas. Even skim milk tastes good compared to that other junk. How can you make something taste that bad? It's like they made it taste bad on purpose. Focus. It says it has half a banana in every serving. And this really should taste like a lot of banana. These are pretty dark bananas. I mean, what does banana milk really taste like? Have I ever had banana milk? No. It tastes like banana. It's actually not bad. Giving it a 9. Don't know I'd go and buy it, but this, for what it is, it's not bad. In conclusion, and this is a little bit of an unexpected conclusion, I think there are some good alternatives if you can't have milk. Now, let's just talk about a straight up milk alternative. I think this is your best straight up milk alternative right here from the ones I tried out. This extra creamy almond breeze almond milk. Soy milk, I think, also works pretty good. Now, I know this is vanilla soy milk, and that probably helped it out. I'd probably use this exact version if I had to have a milk replacement. I think the Chobani extra creamy oat milk is a great replacement if you can't do nuts. Silk dark chocolate almond milk, definitely a winner. Has a little bit of a funny taste at the beginning of it because it's not real milk, but as far as what it says, smooth and seriously creamy, it fulfills that. This could work for a chocolate milk alternative. For just something to drink, if you want to try banana milk, hey, try this out. This isn't bad. This, let me know if you want it. It's going nowhere in my house. If this was sweet, it would have a chance. As it is, I don't know why anybody. Well, okay, so let me be fair. If you can't do sugar and you really like cashews, maybe this works for you. I don't want to offend anybody, but I find this to be rancid. That's just me. Little subjective, perhaps, but let me save you some pain in your life. Don't do this. I hope this helps somebody out. Seriously, I'm not doing this for me because I'm okay with drinking milk. So this is all about you guys. Hopefully this helped you out to make a choice if you want a milk alternative. This is different than how I felt at the beginning of this going into it. I think there are some viable milk alternatives out there, and I think I've stumbled on some of them here. Thanks to your suggestions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.